Hi students, and welcome to week 13 in your online general psychology course. This week we're covering chapter 13, which is over social psychology. So students often ask me, what is the difference between sociology and social psychology? So sociology is looking at groups of people and how it affects, the masses of people. And social psychology is still focusing on the individual behavior, but how other people influence that individual's behavior. So it's a little bit of a more micro view, and sociology certainly is that macro view. Both very important, but this is our little niche in the field of psychology. So this week you will have, let's take a look at your module here. You have the access to your PowerPoint slides as always. You'll have two Connect assignments. One is a psych lab activity over stereos and prejudice, and the other is over characteristics of heuristics. So as you read through this chapter, you're really going to see how these topics of how being around other people possibly changes our own behavior and affects things like stereotypes and prejudice and racism. So those two Connect assignments, and then your Chapter 13 quiz. All of these are due by Sunday. I hope you have a great week. I also just want to let you know that we are moving right along here with this semester. So not due this week, but due next week, you do have an analysis of a research article. I just want to point out that there is a video where I explain this assignment to you as well as an example, and it may be a good idea to go ahead and get started on that. So that you have 2 weeks to work on it instead of just one. It's not a really long assignment, but it's an important assignment. So I just want to point that out if you want to get a jump start. Have a great week, everybody.